So, hey guys, welcome back to another video on the Cyber Mentors where you get the latest updates on the CEH exams and more information videos about the ethical hacking and cyber security. So, let's jump back to our topics. And in this video, guys, we are going to talk about that how we can hack a Windows machine with the help of the Netcat listener. And this video, I'm going to show you a very simple, a very easy step that how you can grab the access of the Windows machine and make sure guys this will only work when this vulnerability of the windows will exist on the windows machine. Okay, so without wasting time, what we are going to do, we'll start our video. So as you can see, I already logged into my Kali Linux machine. So this is our attacker machine, and the windows 7 windows 7 will be our victim machine. Okay, so the Linux one will be our attacker machine, and the windows 7 is our victim machine. So what I'm going to do to hack this machine, what I'm going to do, I'll create a simple payload with the help of the metasploits. So you can do this, you can do just simply change the directory. I'm going to change the directory because I want to save the exe file on my desktop. And next what we are going to do, we'll simply write this command msf venom -p for the platform which is windows, cause we are creating the payload for the windows machine. Okay, if you're creating for the android, so you can select the platform android, and shell.reverse, cause we are going to take the shell access of the machine, and then define the localhost which is your local IP. If you are new and don't know how to find the IP address in the Linux, simply type ifconfig. Okay, that's it, and you will going to get the IP address of our Linux machine. That's it. And now what we are going to do, we are going to define the L port which is our local port, and I defined here 443. You can define 444 1234 also you can define. Then -f exe, cause we are creating a exe because window accept only exe, not apk. Okay, that's it. Now I'm going to hit enter here, and we'll wait for a few seconds until it get the until the our payload get generated. So finally, as you can see, the payload size of our exe file has been generated on our desktop machine. So now the next step what we are going to do, will open another terminal, and here what we are going to do, we'll start our netcat listener on 443. Why? Because we defined the port number at there was 443. Okay, so now what we have to do, we need to move this cell.exe to our windows machine. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'll just simply run a server which is python 3 -m http.server on my local machine. And same what I'm going to do here, I will open the exe explorer. Okay, and what we are going to do, type http, then we'll define the IP address of our Linux machine and the port which we used there, 8080. That's it. Click on the enter, and as you can see, we can access the desktop directory which is jpg lab venoms. Let me show you again. So as you can see, pes data lab venom rpg payloads exe shell.exe, same we can access here also. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, just simply download this. I'm going to download this on our desktop. Click on the close. So now the next step, what is the next step? As you can see, I already started this netcat listener on my Linux machine. So what I'm going to do, I'm just simply double click on the shell, click on the run. Let me just uncheck the always ask before opening this file, and click on the run. That's it, and boom, as you can see guys, we got the access of our Windows machine on our Linux terminal with the help of the netcat listener. So what I'm going to do, as you can see, it's already saying the Microsoft Windows version 6.1.7. To confirm that, what we can do, simply type the run and type here winver, and as you can see, version is 6.1. and here also, if I want to check the version is 6. Here you can see version is 6.1. Now we are currently in the desktop directory. As you can see, if I'll type the who I am, so it's saying the John PC. Okay, let me show you it's John PC or not. Yeah, so if I'll type the who I am, as you can see, it's a John PC John. Now if I want to change the directory from desktop to document, so what I'm going to do, I'll type desktop documents. Okay, okay, so it's saying the system cannot find the path specified. Okay, it's not able to find this part. If I type who I am, so it's saying the John PC. If I set the pwd, which is my present working directory, pwd also it not recognized. So maybe something error it's going, but let it be. So now what we are going to do, as you can see, in our desktops there is no folder. Okay, no such folder is created. So what we are going to do, we will going to create a folder. Simply for that, what I'm going to type mkdir, and I just want to define I want to create a folder from our terminal to our Windows machine. So let me type the mkdir cyber mentor. That's it. Let's jump back to Windows machine again, and as you can see, a folder created cyber mentor in our Linux machine. But now if I want to change the directory from desktop to cyber mentors, we can do that. Yeah, so as you can see, we are able to do that. Now if I type the echo hello cyber mentor, how are you? That's it. Now if I'll jump back to our Windows machine, as you can see, the folder name is empty, but let me show nano test.txt. Okay, so nano is also not able to access. Maybe the chances are there that we are not root users, that's why we are not able to access this machine. But if I type the ifconfig, yeah, so ifconfig is also not working. Okay, understand guys. Sorry, we were in the Windows machine. That's why that all that command were was not working. Okay, but yeah. So as you can see, this is IP of our Linux Windows machine 10.0.2.50. Then the subnet default gateway. Okay, so hope you understand guys that how net with the help of the netcat listener we can access the Windows machine. But as I told you in the beginning only, this will only work in the Windows machine because if the vulnerability exists. Okay, so hope you understand that how this method can be dangerous if the machine is not upgraded or if the vulnerability exists in your machine. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy the video and hope you learn something new from this video. We'll meet in the next video with some new updates on CH exams. So for today, that's it, guys.